Excuse me, please come in. Good morning. Thank you for coming to this interview. My name is Wildan Padilla, and I am the HR manager of this school. I will be conducting this interview with you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. My name is Wardan Nugra Ahmad and I am applying for the English teacher position.
All right, Wardan, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your educational background?
Sure, I graduated from the University of Indonesia with a bachelor degree in English education. I have been teaching English for 3 years at Nation School. I have also obtained a TOEFL certificate and a Cambridge English Proficiency certificate. I am passionate about teaching and learning language and I enjoy working with students from different backgrounds and levels.
That sounds impressive. Why are you interested in working at our school?
I am interested in working at your school because I believe in offer a high quality education and a multicultural environment. I have heard many positive reviews about your school from some of my colleagues who have worked here before. I also admire your school vision and mission, which align with my own value and goals as a teacher. I think I can contribute to your school success by providing engaging and effective English lesson for your students.
I see. What are your strengths and weaknesses as an English teacher?
I think one of my strengths is I am flexible and adaptable. I can adjust my teaching method and material according to the needs and preference of my student. I also try use various activity and media to my class more interactive and fun. I also have good communication and interpersonal skill, which help my to build rapport and trust with my student and college.
And what about your weaknesses?
Well, I think one of my weakness is that I something tend to be too perfectionist. I always want to be my best and deliver to best result. But sometimes I put too much pressure on myself and stress myself out. I am unaware of this issue and I am trying to overcome it by setting realistic goals and expectations and by asking for feedback and support from others when I need it.
That's very honest of you. How do you handle challenging situation or difficult student in your class?
I think the key to handle challenging situation of difficult student is to stay calm and positive. I try to understand the root cause of the problem and to find a solution that I feel respectful for everyone involved. I also communicated clearly and fully with the student and try to motivate them and encourage them to participate and cooperate. I also seek my help from my college or supervisor when I face a situation that I beyond my control or expectations.
That's a good approach. How do you assess your student progress and performance?
I use various methods to assess my student progress and performance. I use formative assessment such as quiz, assignment, and project to monitor the learning process and provide feedback and guidance. I also use summative assessment such as test and exam to measure the learning outcome and evaluate their mastery of the subject. I also use alternative assessment such as portfolio, presentation, and self-assessment to allow them to demonstrate their skill and abilities in different ways. I also the rubric and criteria to grade their work objectively and consistently.
That's very comprehensive. How do you plan your lesson and prepare your material.
I've learned my lessons and prepare my material based on the curriculum and the syllabus of the school. I also consider the need, interests of my student, and the learning objective and outcomes of each lesson. I try to make my lesson relevant and meaningful for my student, and I incorporate different skill and topic. I also use a variety of sources and resources, such as textbooks, online platform videos, podcasts, and games to enrich my material and my them more learning and diverse. I also review and my lessons and material regularly and make adjustment and improvements as needed.
Well, Wardan, I think you have done very well in this interview. You have shown that you have the qualification, skill, and experience to be an English teacher at our school.
Thank you, Mr. Wildan. I really appreciate your opportunity. I am very interested and excited to work at your school.
You are welcome, Wardan. We will contact you soon to inform you about the result of this interview. Do you have any question for me before we end this session?
Oh yes, I have one question. When will the new academic year start, and what are the working hours and days for the teachers?
The new academic year will start 1 July 1st, 2024. The working hours are from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. The teachers are also expected to attend some meeting and training of the school hours or on weekend, depending on the schedule.
Oh, I see. Thank you for the information, Mr. Wildan.
You are welcome, Wardan. Thank you for your time and interest. It was a pleasure to meet you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. Wildan. It was a pleasure to meet you too. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, Wardan.